Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel.
In today's video, you're gonna see the last piece of our Overland storage setup, and this is a pretty important one because it's the kitchen setup. I already had a few ideas about it, but I had a talk with Robert from Dragonriders Travel, and actually he got even more good ideas. So we decided to work on it together, and this is how it turns out. that's it for our kitchen setup. We are really happy with it. We're gonna cook and really enjoy cooking out there in the wild. So we can't thank you enough, Robert, for what you did and all the effort you put in it. This is really awesome. So I think right now I'm pretty hungry, so we're gonna use it right now. And thank you guys for watching, and see you next week.